Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about the basic and advanced English term. This is our third or fourth video on the basic and advanced English term. And before starting the video, if you have not subscribed channel till yet, please subscribe the channel and being the family member of the Language Hub and like the channel and share the video with your friends and family. So here the first is I'm busy. What's the first? I'm busy. It's a basic English term. We always use, oh, don't disturb me, I'm busy. So instead of I'm busy, you can say, my plate is full. You will be like, whoa, what kind of meaning it is? But it's a very advanced, and if you think it logically, it will be correct. So I'm busy. Instead of I'm busy, you can say, my plate is full. Second is, I don't care. Just go away from here, I don't care. So instead of I don't care, you can say it doesn't bother me. It will be like alpha. We always say that you are saying like a alpha. So these are like the alpha words you can say here. Third is I'm happy. So instead of I'm happy, you can say I'm on the top of the world. Now I'm on the top of the world. There is also a item on it that I'm on the ninth sky. Okay. Fourth is it's not important. So instead of it's not important, you can say it's not a big deal. So just leave it. It's not an important topic. So instead of it's not an important topic, you can say so just leave it. It's not a big deal. Fifth is I understand. So instead of I understand, you can say I get the picture. What you can say, I get the picture. Sixth is I'm worried. I'm worried. So I'm worried. Instead of I'm worried, you can use I'm on the edge. What you can say, I'm on the edge or I'm on edge. So here are the six. There are 20 meanings, not meanings, basic and advanced English term. There are 20 in this video. We will discuss about the 20 basic and advanced English term. And these are the six. Now I want to revise them like I'm busy. So instead of I'm busy, my plate is full. What you can use my plate is full. Second is I don't care. So instead of I don't care, you can use it doesn't bother me. Third is I'm happy. So instead of I'm happy, you can say I'm on the top of the world. Fourth is it's not important. So you can say it's not a big deal. Fifth is I understand. So instead of I understand, you can use I get the picture. Sorry, not picture, it's my mistake, sorry. I get the picture. Sixth is I'm worried. So instead of I'm worried, you can use I'm on edge. Not AG, it's edge. EDG, like a corner. Okay. Now these are the six, and we will discuss more because I have told you that there are 20 meanings. So here as you can see, seventh is it's bad. So you can say it's a disaster. What you can say, it's a disaster. Eighth is I'm tired of this. We always say that in Hindi, मैं इस चीज़ से थक चुकी हूँ. So instead of I'm tired of this, it's an English version of the मैं थक चुकी हूँ. So instead of tired of this, you can use I'm fed up. We will discuss about this because I'm tired of and I'm fed up is also you can we will discuss about them in the next video. And ninth is that's interesting. What is ninth? That's interesting. So instead of that's interesting, you can use that's fascinating. What you can use? You can use that's fascinating. 10th is I'm scared. I'm scared of this. I'm scared. So instead of I'm scared, you can say I'm petrified. What you can say? You can say I'm petrified. 11th is I'm sorry. What is 11th? I'm sorry. We always say, oh, forgive me, it's my mistake, I'm sorry. So instead of I'm sorry, you can use my apologies. What you can say? You can say my apologies. Apologies. 12th is I'm excited. What is 12th? I'm excited. You can say, you always say whenever a function come in your house or any kind of function, you can say, oh, I'm excited for that function, for that work. I'm full of excitement. So instead of this, I'm excited or I'm full of excitement, you can say I'm pumped. What you can say? You can say I'm pumped. So now we will revise them. Like first is it's bad. So instead of it's bad, you can use it's disaster. 8th is I'm tired of this. So instead of I'm tired of this, you can use I'm fed up. 9th is that's interesting. What is the 9th? That's interesting. So instead of interesting, you can use that's fascinating. What you can use? You can use that's fascinating. 10th is I'm scared. So instead of I'm scared, you can use I'm petrified. What you can say? You can say I'm petrified. 11th is I'm sorry. So instead of I'm sorry, you can use my apologies. 12th is I'm excited. So instead of I'm excited, you can use I'm pumped. What you can use? You can use I'm pumped. As you can see here I used many short forms. I only use the short forms here, not their full form. So it's very important for you to learn the short forms, and I have made 2 or 3 videos on the short forms, and if you have not seen that, or if you forget to see that, so that will come on the end screen. From there you can watch. Okay, and so here you can see 13 is it's boring. What is 13? It's boring. So instead of it's boring, you can use it's a drag. What you can say? You can say oh, it's a drag. 14 is he is stupid. We always say that oh, he's a stupid guy. So instead of he is stupid, you can say he is clueless. Sometimes he is stupid. Stupid word will hurt anyone. If you say this to anyone, that may be hurt sometimes. So instead of stupid, you can say he is clueless. 15 is it's okay. We always say oh, it's okay. Don't worry, it's okay. So instead of it's okay, you can say it's all good. What you can say? You can say it's all good. 16 is I'm relaxed. Oh, now I'm relaxed. So you can say I'm at ease. What you can say? I'm at ease. 17 is it's cool. Oh, it's cool. It's summer vacation. It's cool. We will go to another country or another place. So instead of it's cool, you can say oh, it's awesome. These advanced English terms will define your emotions. If you want to say that, if you want to say or express your emotion, so you can use advanced English term. It's my opinion, because whenever we use the advanced English term, it may be like it will like that. Whenever we say that, like I'm busy, the first was the I'm busy. So you say you can use my plate is full. So that will give an emotional touch to the other person who is listening you. Okay. So advanced English terms insist of basic English term. I think you should use the advanced English term if you want to be an advanced English learner or speaker. So here the 18 is I'm confused. So instead of I'm confused, you can use I'm puzzled. Oh, because of you, I'm confused. So you can say oh, because of you, I'm puzzled a lot. 19th is she is crazy. So instead of she is crazy, you can use she is out of her mind. For example, if you say if like that, for example, we use that whenever she see the BTS member, she gonna crazy. So instead of this, you can use whenever she saw the BTS member, she see the BTS member, she's just out of her mind. Okay, if you are a BTS army, comment me in the comment section. 20, I'm disappointed. What is 20? I'm disappointed. So instead of I'm disappointed, you can say I'm gutted. I'm gutted. G-U-T-T-E-D, gutted. So I hope that you have understand all these 20 basic and advanced English term. I have made 2 or 3 video already on the basic and advanced English term. So if you have not seen the video, that will come on the end screen with the videos of the short forms, and I will also make them in the card. So don't forget to watch them. And if I had made any kind of mistake, pardon me, and like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And comment me if you want any other topic, and if you have any kind of queries. Thank you so much.